If you've ever wanted to make creamy, delicious yogurt drink at home that tastes just as good as anything store-bought or even better than the store-bought ones, then keep watching. We'll start with the basics, which is making yogurt from scratch. I have a more detailed video on yogurt making, so please go and watch that video first so you can follow along with this one, because I will not be explaining as much as I did in that video. Grab any full cream milk of your choice and mix with hot water. There is a measurement to follow, like I said. Refer to that video. I'll tag it somewhere on the screen. Mix the water and the milk together and sieve to remove any lump. Allow the milk to cool down to about 43 to 46 degrees Celsius so the culture remains active when you introduce it into the milk. While waiting for the milk to cool down, a film might form at the top of the milk, so scoop it out and scoop out any foam. Once the milk is ready, you can now introduce your culture. I used yogurt whey for this tutorial. You can also use yogurt or a store-bought yogurt culture. Mix thoroughly so the culture is well incorporated into the milk. Cover the container to trap heat and wrap it with a towel for extra warmth, then proceed to store in a warm plate. I used my oven. Allow to ferment anywhere from 8 to 16 hours. It all depends on the temperature. Fermentation takes place faster and better where there is warmth. After about 12 hours, the yogurt should be ready. You know the yogurt is ready when it is thick and set a slight wobble. The longer you allow it to ferment, the thicker the yogurt will become, but the more tangier it will stay. Now it's time to make the yogurt drink. It is very simple and straightforward. Mix the yogurt thoroughly to achieve a smooth texture. Using a blender is best for that smooth and creamy consistency. Add any sweetener and flavor of choice. I use sugar and cinnamon powder. Mix or blend again to ensure everything is well combined. Transfer into your bottles and store in your freezer or fridge depending on how quick you'll be consuming them. There you have it, preservative free and 100% satisfying yogurt drink. If you're interested in learning how to make Greek yogurt, you should subscribe and turn on your post notifications so when I post the video you'll be notified. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section.